Alright, so here's an example of how I would write games when I used to write games. Um, I just get the basic concept and then just build on it. Like for instance, this program, which is written in basic 3.5 on this Commodore 16. Excuse me. It's just basically a random guessing game. And first I put in, you just try to guess, and then I put in sound effects. If you fail, it'll make that sound. If if you get if you get within 10 points, then you get um, 10 points minus how close you were. So the computer was thinking of 58 and I guessed 60, so I got 8 points for being that close. If I'd gotten 58, it would give me 10 points, I think, unless that's a bug. It may be too close to it, but so next I want to add, let me break out of it. So next I want to add flashing text when you actually win. So do that over here and insert flash character. I think that's the flash character. Let's see if that works. Yeah. And so it could, I could change the color of the text or make it inverse or whatever. So you get the idea. So next time, I'm going to show some graphics. I'm going to add graphics to this game, written in BASIC. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later.